KingClima engine-driven monoblock transport refrigeration units are designed for the cold chain logistics. Evaporator is not in the compartment for high space utilization. One-piece condenser and evaporator compact design increase loading efficiency by 15% to 20%. The whole unit adopts lightweight design, aluminum alloy frame, and the weight of the whole machine is only 92 kilograms. The special large air volume centrifugal brushless fan is adopted, which makes the airflow smoother, the refrigerating capacity larger, and the cooling speed faster. Internally, the integrated polyurethane foaming process with lightweight is used, and the UV coating is superimposed to effectively block the loss of heat. You can contact us for more refrigeration details and solutions. Thanks for your watching. Welcome to visit www.kingclima.net.